Welcome back to Coding Drift. In the previous video, we have seen how we can handle form submission errors in React Hook form. In this video, we will see how we can disable this register or submit button when there are errors in the form. So we have already seen one flag is dirty. There is one more flag called is valid that says whether the form has errors or not. Whenever form has errors, is valid is set to false. So we can use this combination of is dirty and is valid. So we can disable the submit button whenever the form is not valid. Also, we can use is dirty. So if the form is not dirty, then there is no point of enabling the submit button. So the first one checks if there are any errors in the form, then disable it. Second one is like if the user hasn't touched the form, then disable the submit button. You may think is valid will be inclusive of is dirty, but that is not the case. One scenario is, let us say you are in edit profile page. All the fields will be filled. You wouldn't want to enable the update button because user hasn't changed anything even though the form is valid. That's why you need both the flags to disable the submit button appropriately. So let us fill all the mandatory fields. Now the register button is enabled. Now if I make any error in the form, that is I haven't filled the name field correctly, the register button will be disabled. And by default also the register button is disabled because the form is not dirty as well as we haven't filled the mandatory values. So that is how we can disable form submission in React Hook form. In the next video, we will see different form submission states. Thank you for watching. If you're liking this series, please consider subscribing to the channel. See you in the next one.